My colleague, my friend, the bus driver, Bear. Buongiorno, Bear. Now, today we started the adventure, the beautiful adventure in Tuscan region. Today we're going to visit two beautiful places. One is Siena, okay, the city, the medieval city of Siena, and the castle of San Gimignano, the Manhattan of the Middle Ages, okay? So, for today, you be my baby, okay, my piccolini, okay? I'm your mommy for one day. You have to follow my instruction, okay? So, and now, in a few minutes, we leave the city, the beautiful capital of the Tuscan region, Florence, the bigger city of Tuscan region, because Florence have between 300,000 to 400,000 inhabitants, okay? One of the 10 provinces of Tuscany, and we go directly to the beautiful medieval city of Siena. More or less in 1 hour and 20 minutes, we reach the parking lot of Siena. From there, we have to walk 10-15 minutes, okay, for reach the main square of the city. I don't know if today there is the sand, the two sand on the square, because I know, I think that you know, 3 days ago there were the Palio, okay, the famous horse race in Siena, and the district who win the Palio was the Contrada dell'Aquila, the Eagle district, with Tittia, one of the most famous jockey of the Palio race, after I'm explain everything about the Palio. But, so you can see the square with a little bit of sand, I think. And some of you have only free time, some of you the audio guide, plus the wine tasting, and some of you the wine tasting, okay, in Siena. So I'm telling you who have the audio guide and the wine tasting included, and who have the only wine tasting. Allora, the wine tasting, the family of Melacri Marchella, okay, you have the wine tasting in Siena. After I'm explain where I'll meet you again for bringing you to the wine tasting, the place where we do the wine tasting, and Luciana Scafita Perfetto, you have the wine tasting in Siena. The others, the family of Brunette, Ryan, you have audio guide and wine tasting. And the big family of 4, Liam Henry, you have the audio guide and wine tasting included, okay? So the others, you have only the free time in Siena. But no worries, because when we approach in Siena, I'm explain everything about the city, okay? And a little bit of history of the city. And in couple of minutes, I move on the bus, because I'm making a WhatsApp group, okay? More or less 1:30, I'll meet you again, and we back all together at the bus, where at the parking lot, where Bear waiting us, and he bring us right at the Manhattan of the Middle Ages. In 40 minutes, around to 20 to 30, we reach the parking lot of San Gimignano. And but you can see in another time again the Arno River, and the bridge at the bottom is Ponte Vecchio, the oldest bridge, the gold bridge, okay, gold because there are a lot of jewel shops in Ponte Vecchio. But I don't know if you know, in the Middle Ages on Ponte Vecchio there were butchers, but Cosimo, you know, liked to smell more the odor of the meat, and he decided to change from the butchers to the jewel shops. And you can see also the Arnolfo Tower, the tower in a Signoria Square on Palazzo Vecchio, okay? And the park on my back, on your right side, is il Parco delle Cascine, the bigger of Florence. Here on the left, Arnolfo Tower, the bridge at the bottom is Ponte Vecchio. If you turn a little bit your neck, you can see also the top of the Giotto Tower and the Brunelleschi Dome. So, important question, Piccolini. Allora, where you come from?
Australia.
Australia,
Norway.
Norway, California, Greece. My best friend, she come from Greece, Athene. So, if you want, I can call to her. She translate in Greece because I don't speak Greece. And the others, some Spanish speaker. Canada, perfect. I have a lot of Canadian traveler with me because I do also the long stay in Italy, and we start from Venice, Florence, Naples, Rome, or Sicily Island with Air Canada. I'm working with Air Canada. And others? Greece again. Okay, perfetto. A lot of Greece. You have a beautiful sea in Greece, il Mare Egeo, so very beautiful. Okay. Bene, international group, no Spanish speaker, right? No Portuguese speaker, no? Ok, bene, perfetto. And very important things. In this tour is not included the lunch, okay? You can eat what you want. You find me with my select spritz at the restaurant when you have the free time. So it's in a good restaurant. It's not expensive as for be in Siena, okay? And is Il Tufo. If you want, you can agree the lunch. You eat what you want and you drink what you want, and you pay how you have eat it or drink it, okay? When I make the WhatsApp group, I send the link, the internet site of Il Tufo. If you want, you have only to write to me your last name and how many are you, and I can reserve the table for you. Family per family. It's right in the Campus Square, okay? You have the view of the square, there is the air conditioner, if you want. Otherwise, you can go wherever you want. For me, there is no problem. I'm stopped there for drink my select spritz, and after I'll meet you again in another square. But, is this. And, other importance about the day. Well, I don't know if you have with you bottle for refill the water. You find fountain in a Campus Square, okay? On a way to reach the city center, if you want, and you can refill. This is in Siena. Your bottle of water. Beh, ma te ce l'hai l'acqua? Bene, bravo. Cioè, guarda, questa è proprio una ossa. Vabbè. Vabbè, ho capito. And San Gimignano, there are two fountains, one right at the parking lot and one up before before the entrance of the castle. But I will repeat when we are in San Gimignano. About the toilets. Okay, the toilets in Italy are in service, okay? So if you enter the coffee bar and you ask for the toilet, it's possible that they tell you, okay, there is no toilet here, or is not available the toilet, okay? You have to buy a coffee, sandwich, whiskey, wine, what you want, and after to ask for the toilet, okay? Please, if you are 4, 5, not only one coffee, because so sometimes absent 10 people in a family of 10, one coffee and all of 10 at the toilet. Or otherwise there are public toilets, €1 per person, okay? And one in Siena is very closer to the Campus Square. Usually I'm suggested to go to the match on a bus for the seating. So, if you want to leave something on your seat, no worries, okay? So we take the same bus for the day, and it's safe because the bus it stay closed. But if you not need, because when we are in Siena we back only around quarter past 2 at the bus, and in San Gimignano the same. And unfortunately there he cannot stay in the same parking lot, he have to move from that parking lot to the others. But now, so on our left side, so wall, city wall. Why? Because Florence in the Middle Ages was surrounded by wall, okay? Medieval wall on the left. And at the end of the wall, you can see one of the 7 main entrances of Florence. Porta Romana, okay? Porta Romana, why? Because look to the side of Rome. And the roundabout, a modern installation, and it's called Retroverso, okay? Are 2 women, one look inside the city wall and one look outside the city wall. Two women, one up of the other, okay? And it represents the past and the future. Okay, now I'm quiet for some minutes.
Wala na tayo.
Meron pa naman. Masyado mababa. Mataas. Dito kasi tabi ko.
Wala.
Oo, dyan.
Dati ka rin mga tapos, papalitan mo yan, pwede ka lang ng tao. Pwede na tao. Pwede mo.
Pero saan saan nakain. Pwedeng kumain kahit saan. O, panaikot ng mga pulis dito.
Ayan, po ko ng mga litrato.
Taxi pala to.
Yung mga tindahan.
Ayan si Bogie, oh. Si Tiara. Carpisa. Oh, Nuevo Cafe, Greco.
Ano naman yun?
Ano yan, eh, parang ano yun. Nakabantay siya, may espada eh. Espada nga ba yan? Glee Unity.
Nasa puno mo ako nag-isa.
Doon ka, maglakad ka dyan. Maglakad kang pa ganun. Kukulang kang litrato. Ngayon si Bolet, naglalakad.
Dito pa ako kukulong.
Yeah. Hindi, di kulungan nata yan. Eh, San Pedro may susi, oh. San Pedro. Hmm. Hmm. Si Siamu, Aperti.
Yung mga kumakain nito.
Kumakain sila, oh. Nagbubulahan pa.
Ja, ik wil heel gewoon even zien. Blijf je even bij Gerry. Ja.
Ah? Okay. Pagkarerahan. Pakaikot. Okay.
Sa'yo.
Dali. Patay. Saan wawa ka? Lunchtime. Daming tao. Ayan, dyan ang ginagawang karerahan. Dito ang daanan ng kabayo. Paikot. Ayan, oh. Yan ang daanan ng ano. Pag nagkarera dito, yan. Paikot.
Ayan dyan mo.
Doon, yung lahat ng may kulay yellow. Wala.
Ang guide.
Malaki premyo. May ito yung guide ko. Oh. Salita ka, guide.
Ito yung tandang yung mga kabayo daw. Ayun. Tapos ito yung ano ata. Square na di ba?
Pero yung sa gitna na yan, puno ng tao dyan, di ka makakalis. Hanggat din natapos yung ano, alas 3 ng hapon nag-umpisa. Tapos alas 7 ng gabi. Diyan mas susunog ka na sa loob. Sabi nung babae. So,
Tapos yung mga ano, kainan. Hindi na to.
Maganda ka tayo doon.
Dito ako tayo babalik.
Na, paakyat na tayo doon. Ako dyan. Para hindi tao makuha natin.
Ako kinukunin mo.
Tayong dalawa.
Hello. It's just me. Sa Siena. I'm here in Siena.
Siena College.
Hindi siya nakali sa Quezon City. Bakit? Dito na.
Pwede rin dyan.
Dito na mas malapit. Baka mahal dito.
Oo. Hindi, alam ko na yan eh.
O pwede rin doon.
Oo nga, yun ang daanan eh. Hindi naman dyan doon eh.
O sige, doon na tayo.
Kasi walang hagdanan doon.
Yung parang
Pag ganun
yung
ganun lang.
Barlibong, no?
Oo.
Ano ka dito? Matutusta ka dito. Parang pag
Talaga.
nagsampay ka, 1 minute lang, tuyo na, 2 minutes, tigang na.
Yung mga kamay mukhang tuyo na.
Maganda rin dito, kaya lang ang kalsada, bako-bako. Iba yung pagkano ng bato, no?
Talagang bato eh. Baldosa.
Oo.
Na pinagdugtong-dugtong. Ayan si Bullet, paakyat na.
Ito yung mga double cuts ko. Ayan, no? Bakit talaga susukatin ang lakas mo dito? Kung hanggang saan ka. Pero carry pan. Bakit talaga oh?
Ito yung mga manika mo. Puro violet, oo. Dapat meron kang karayom.
Sabi ko mahal eh.
Dapat sabi ko meron kang karayom.
Oo nga.
Panusok. Nang kukulam.
Nakalagay presyo, Daddy.
Oo, yan. Oh. Ito.
Okay.
Di ba?
Yan natin parang 16 euro.
Mhm.
Ayan, no? 16 euro.
Okay. Okay.